Hi everyone, I'm so happy to introduce Easynote AI to you. It offers a range of features to help you organize and understand information efficiently. In this quick demo video, I'm going to show you every single feature that Easynote AI currently available to you and how to make the most of them. Let's get started. Hitting the dashboard button on the right upper corner, we see the main features page, where we can record or upload audio, add YouTube videos, or upload PDFs. Let's start with audio note generation. This feature is perfect for turning spoken words into organized notes. Simply choose whether you want to record a new audio clip or upload an existing one. Once you've selected your audio, Easynote AI will quickly process it and generate a detailed, structured transcript. This is a game changer for capturing information from lectures, meetings, or interviews. Alright, so besides taking super organized notes, Easynote can do a bunch of other cool stuff. You can chat with it. Yeah, if you got a question about your notes, just ask away. It'll give you answers straight from your document. Super fast. If you want to quiz yourself, no problem. It can make quizzes based on what you've uploaded. And if you're into flashcards, you can make those in like 2 seconds. And of course, we can turn your audio into text, too. If you need to get the most out of your favorite YouTube videos, easy. Just copy and paste the link, and Easynote AI will generate detailed notes, highlighting key points and summarizing the content. Plus, it's got this awesome chatbot, quizzes, flashcards, and even turns the video into text. It's like having a personal YouTube tutor. Finally, we look into PDF note generation. Whether it's a research paper, a financial report, or any other PDF document, Easynote AI has you covered. Simply upload your PDF, and you'll get a super clear summaries, analysis, and even extract key information. It's like having a personal research assistant. And the best part? Easynote AI supports multiple languages, making it a truly global tool. Easynote AI is more than just a note-taking tool. It's your partner in learning, research, and productivity. Try it out today and experience the difference.